Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can delete and add a background to your videos. So make sure that the background you have is a plain color so it'll make it easier. I'm just going to split the video so it's going to be quicker for it to remove background. Select the clip and then press remove background and wait for the background to be removed. So as you can see now, the background has been removed. Go back and go to overlay and add overlay and select anything you want, pictures. Actually, I'm just going to choose this background and then just going to resize it. Then I'm going to press layer and order the, I'm going to actually press main track for this one, and then I'm just going to select this and press overlay. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!